Anything you want to say before I impose sentence?
I knew that I didn't have a license, but
Didn't work out for you.
well, I didn't make it back home. I made it to the store. I didn't make it back home.
When can you get the $250 paid?
Oh, it's gonna be a while, man. I got tickets coming out the Booyah.
You came to court, you don't have your license? Did you drive?
I'm not a good liar, so yes, sir, I did. Okay, you did.
Nobody heard that.
You didn't. Y'all didn't hear that.
You were all excited to show your license and you forgot it. It's a shame.
It's the truth.
Can the court confirm whether or not Mr. Edgar currently has a valid license?
Why did he tell you that he had one? Case is dismissed.
I got yelled at about this case by my woman, because I forgot all about it.
When he said, "Ooh," he must have gotten yelled at.
Do you guys see me on yet?
Oh yeah, we see you. Quit playing with your eyelash.
Today, we got 6 short hearings in front of a jubilant, jolly, joyful, jocular Judge Simpson. The first case is about a guy who's apparently got tickets coming out his Booyah, and his ex-old lady who apparently is gonna save his Booyah. Let's roll, Honors.
Court calls the case People versus Anthony Johnson.
Pendergrass Court on behalf of Pittsfield Township.
Assistant Public Defender Natalie Pate with and on behalf of Mr. Johnson, who is approaching.
Your name, sir?
Anthony Johnson.
Thank you, Your Honor. There is a resolution in this matter to which Mr. Johnson will be pleading to added count 2 of allowing an ineligible person to drive, and in exchange, count 1 would be dismissed.
So, Your Honor, I move to add count 2 of MCL 257.326. If you accept that guilty plea, I will dismiss the charge.
All right, hold on 1 second. All right, let's have him sworn. Does he sign the advice of rights?
No, Your Honor, I have neglected.
Have him sworn.
Raise your right hand. Do you solemnly swear and affirm the testimony you're about to give to be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God? State your name.
Anthony Johnson.
Sir, it is this court's understanding you're going to plead guilty to the charge of allowing an ineligible driver to operate a motor vehicle. That's a misdemeanor, punishable by up to 90 days, $100 fine plus court cost. You understand that?
Yes, sir.
Still wish to plead guilty?
Yes.
And to that charge, how do you plead?
Guilty.
Now, you understand that by pleading guilty, you'll not have a trial of any kind.
Yes, sir.
You signed an advice of rights form today. Any question regarding any of those rights?
No.
Please look at paragraph 5. You'll see a copy on the podium. Those are your rights, which are part of a trial. You understand by pleading guilty, you'll be giving up those rights as well as all the rights on that form.
Yes, sir.
You understand you're giving up your right to appeal of right.
Yes.
Are you on probation or parole?
No.
Anybody promise you anything other than what's been stated here today on the record to get you to plead?
No.
Anybody threaten you or coerce you?
You did.
I didn't threaten you. No.
No, nobody did.
No, but I did not threaten you. Is that
No,
correct?
You did. You did, sir.
You're doing this voluntarily
Yes.
of your own free will.
Yes, sir.
And because you believe that you're guilty of this offense?
No, I am guilty.
See. Everybody
I can't get out of it. I
All
wouldn't
right.
stand here.
On October 14, 2024, at the location of Ellsworth Road, Pittsfield Township, Washington County, State of Michigan, did you have custody or control of a motor vehicle?
Yes.
Did you allow someone who was otherwise ineligible, inclusive of yourself, to operate that motor vehicle?
Yes.
Counsel, have I complied with the court rule?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will accept the defendant's plea to count 2. Count 1 is dismissed. Anything you want to say before I impose sentence? Man,
I knew that I knew that I didn't have a license, but I thought I can at least drive to the store and drive back home.
Didn't work out for you.
Well, I didn't make it back home. I made it to the store. I didn't make it back home.
All right. Fines and costs of $250. Also spend 90 days in jail. When can you get the $250 paid?
Oh, it's gonna be a while, man. I got tickets coming out the Booyah.
If I may, Your Honor,
Who are you, ma'am? His ex-wife?
Yes.
Come on out. I appreciate.
I got tickets. I'm on a fixed income. I just went to
Well,
court
no,
last
Let
week.
me listen to your ex-wife because
Oh.
you're just
Okay. All right.
What do you want to tell me, man?
About a couple weeks.
You can get it paid in a couple weeks? You gonna help him out with that?
Say nothing else.
You shouldn't.
I said nothing else.
You just shut up right now. Because you're about to say something, you're gonna mess up the whole thing. Man,
done.
thank you. And I apologize for saying shut up.
No, it's
But
okay.
yeah, that was the only way you're gonna be quiet.
You did it right.
I know.
Yeah.
And the fact that she's your ex, you didn't do something right. Because she's nice as can be coming up here paying.
What's she?
Yeah, we're gonna talk about, don't say anything. Because if he says anything that hurts her feelings, I will. I got 90 days or 90 reasons why you should.
90 days.
No, I got 90 reasons why you shouldn't say anything about right now.
I got you.
You hear me?
Mhm.
Okay. Ma'am, work that out. Get it paid by March 14th. Okay, for him. Thank you for helping him out. I don't know if he deserves it, but that's your call. I dare you to say something. Keep moving.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Next one is about a nice lady who just can't seem to win for losing. She and the court have a good time disposing of her case. Watch the goofball in the lower left in about 2 minutes. He's been sitting on the Zoom call for an hour and his 15 seconds of fame are quickly approaching.
Court calls case people versus Shisa Bernett.
Good afternoon, Assistant Public Defender Lauren Perny on behalf of Ms. Bernett. Ms. Bernett, please state your name for the record.
Shisa Bernett.
Good afternoon.
Your
All right.
Honor, Ms.
ahead.
Bernett does have a valid license. She doesn't have it
Hold on.
on.
Now,
Hold on. You come up here, I got a valid license. I don't know.
yeah,
I gotta check
the whole
myself.
permit,
Hold
the
on,
everything.
hold on.
She did say she got it about 2 days ago.
Yeah, but I was so geeked to come to court. I thought I had my wallet, everything in my purse, but I don't. But I do have my license. They are legal.
Hold it. You came to court, you don't have your license? Did you drive?
I'm not a good liar, so yes, sir, I did. But I'm legal though.
No, you didn't. I didn't hear that.
Okay, you did.
Nobody heard that.
You didn't. Y'all didn't hear that.
Oh, that guy back there did. No, I'm kidding. All right.
Stop playing, cause I know him. No, but I'm legal though, for real.
Yeah, no. Just who'd you bring with you?
My daughter and my son-in-law.
Do they have licenses?
No.
Oh,
Oh, we can Uber this home and get them and come back.
no.
But I was not gonna miss Kurt.
Go get your license. Just that's why you went through this whole thing.
I know,
So
but see, they told me I was supposed to come at 9 and I came, and then they told me I had to come back at 12.
And neither time did you have your license with you.
Yeah, the first time I did.
Oh, okay.
And I thought everything was in, I was excited.
You were excited about what?
Showing you my L's and I ain't even got them.
You were all excited to show your license and you forgot it. It's a shame.
It's the truth.
You believe her. No, and nobody knows.
I promise you. I already seen you, so I already know you can't be playing with you.
What does that mean?
Cause I'm just not from here.
I am-
So this is my like first time. So I was really like excited, like, damn. I can't even be like,
She got the license mic drop. Yeah, ain't got a license.
no,
Or the mic.
I just have them on me.
Listen.
Can I call Uber? I can go home and get them, babe. I mean, sir, Your Honor.
Maybe I can go home and get him.
I'm so,
It's okay. I take no offense. I've been called a whole lot of things.
But I promise you.
Not a bad thing. My book. Listen.
I have your driving record. So I already know you have a valid license. So why did I say that? Because you wouldn't stop talking. You just kept talking.
Well, I
And I'm
got
like,
nine children,
You
so I'm
just
really
kept
sorry.
talking, and I didn't have time to get it in.
I'm really excited though.
Me too. She got a license. So you live over in Epstein?
Yeah, yes, sir.
I gotta stay out of there because she driving. Ain't no telling what's gonna happen. All right.
So they say I drive like Miss Daisy, so I ain't even worried about it.
Okay. What are we doing?
No, Your Honor.
I know, we all forgot. We just
We are here for a purpose, I guess. She does have a valid license, so she would like to accept the prosecutor's offer to plead or to admit responsibility of double parking today.
Your Honor, I move that count two, double parking. If you accept the admission, move to dismiss the misdemeanor.
Bernett, she gonna blow this. You know, she gonna mess this up. Just concentrate, focus. All right. So we can try to get through this. Do you admit responsibility that on November 4th, 2024, at the location of Ellsworth Road in Pittsfield Township, Washtenaw County, State of Michigan, that you double parked a motor vehicle?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Court will accept that admission to count two. Count one is dismissed. Fines and costs of $180. When can you get that paid?
Next Friday.
Next Friday? You can
Yes,
get
sir.
it done by the 28th?
Yes, sir.
I don't know. All right, I'm gonna give it to February 28th, 2025. All right, pay it by then. You take care, and when you're out there driving now legally, drive safely, please.
Okay, thank you.
Take an Uber. She loaded them all up in the car, and she ain't. All right. Court calls the case People versus Caleb Edgar.
Conrad Soto on behalf of Pittsfield Township.
Assistant Public Defender Natalie Pate with and on behalf of Mr. Edgar, who should be present via Zoom. Sir, can you please unmute and
Yep.
state your name for the court?
I'm Caleb Edgar.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Your Honor. Can the court confirm whether or not Mr. Edgar currently has a valid license?
Why did he tell you that he had one?
He believes he has one, and I do believe him, but we just needed
Oh, you
confirmation.
believe him?
I do.
So if I said something different, you wouldn't believe me?
I would believe you as well, Your Honor.
He's valid.
Then I believe he did want to accept the offer that was extended by the township in this matter.
Go ahead.
Your Honor, I move that count two, double parking. If you accept the admission, I move to dismiss the original charge.
Is that what you want to do, sir?
Yes, I do have a
Okay.
valid license, though. I did
No,
call
I know
yesterday.
you do. I'm looking
Okay.
right at your record. I knew you did all along.
Okay.
I was just messing with Miss Pate because
I
she said
figured
she
you were.
believed you, and I just wanted to see if she believed me over you. But all right, Mr. Caleb, do you admit responsibility that on December 22nd, 2024, on Laura Road in Pittsfield Township, Washtenaw County, State of Michigan, that you did double park a motor vehicle?
I do accept.
All right. Court will accept his admission to count two. Count one is dismissed. Fines and costs of $180. When can you get that paid, sir?
By next Friday.
By the 28th?
Yes.
All right. Pay it by February 28th, 2025. And you're up in Cadillac. So if you get the QR code on the screen, or you might be able to pay it online. You will be able to pay it online. If you get the QR code off the screen,
Alrighty.
then that'll take you right to the site to pay it. Okay.
Alrighty.
But you're on a phone, so you'll probably have to swipe across to see the QR code, but you can do it that way. All right?
Alrighty. Yep.
The next few are good examples of how a little levity at the right times during court makes the day go a little faster. Then it's followed by a frequent flyer in Judge Simpson's court that many of you may recognize.
In court, that's called the case of the people versus Demetrius Pendergrass.
Pass along for the people.
Your name, sir?
Demetrius Pendergrass.
Hey, I said that one right. They say, this is what I'm talking about.
A lot of people.
No, this is what I'm talking about. You know, you do something right, nobody says anything. Thank you, Al. All right. Okay. All right. What are we doing on this case? Sir, I guess it's an arraignment. Let me arraign you in it. All right. Sir, you're here on a citation that alleges that on or about April 16, 2024, at the location of Ann Arbor Saline Road near Maple Road, Pittsfield Township, Washington County, State of Michigan, that you did operate a motor vehicle and failed to display a valid operator's license. You understand the nature of that charge, sir?
Yes.
That's a misdemeanor punishable by up to 90 days in jail, $100 fine plus court costs. This is a state case. He has a valid ops.
And
Yes.
it looks like he paid the companion speeding ticket, Your
He
Honor,
did.
already. So because he is valid, at this time.
You have any objection to that?
No.
I went all the way through that. I'm going to indicate that he was standing mute
Not
to
at
the
all.
charge so that we have that.
Thank you, Your Honor. Appreciate
And
that.
then case is dismissed.
Oof.
So you, what's wrong?
I got yelled at about this case by my woman, you know, because I forgot all about it. And as soon as I got the ticket,
Hold it. She was yelling at you
oh yeah,
because you had done something wrong?
yeah. I was
Okay, then I'm reinstating the case. She's probably right. You did something. I don't know what you did.
She's like, you gotta go to court.
Now, are you gonna like? See, I can tell. Look at him. See what he's gonna do. He's gonna go home. She gonna say, "Did you take?" And he's gonna get up all up in our face, saying that he's all right. Saying that he was all right anyway. Aren't you?
Probably.
Yeah. See, I knew he was gonna do. Don't do that.
Is that don't do that?
Don't do that.
I won't do that.
You go, you tell her you were absolutely right, honey.
Yeah.
And I could have done better on this, but I got it taken care of only because of your wisdom and grace in guiding me.
All
That's what you
right.
tell her.
All right. Most
You ain't
definitely.
gonna tell her all that, are you?
I might forget some of it, but I.
Oh, okay. All right, sir. This case is dismissed. You have a great day.
Thank you, Your Honor.
I might do some of that, but I ain't gonna. When he said, "Whew," he must have gotten yelled at. Court calls the case of the people versus Lamaria Brandon.
Conrad Solar on behalf of the township.
Good afternoon, this is Nicole Spender, Lauren Perry, on behalf of Miss Brandon.
Good morning.
Jesus. Good morning or afternoon.
Your
Yes.
Honor, I know Miss Brandon's been before this court.
Can you guys see me on here?
Oh yeah, we see you. Quit playing with your eyelash. Come on.
Oh, I can't see you.
Before.
I can't see myself.
You can't see yourself. You
No.
look just fine. Don't worry about it. All right, what are we doing?
Your Honor, I know Miss Brandon has been before this honorable court. I have not had contact with her prior to today. We have, however, spoke before about her options. So again, I'd reiterate if she wants to take the offer or proceed to trial.
Ms. Brandon,
All right.
what do you want to do?
Okay, let's accept the offer today. I'm tired of giving you a hard time.
Okay.
So, Your Honor, I'll move that count two, no parking. If she admits responsibility to that, I'd move to dismiss the misdemeanor charge.
Ms. Brandon, do you admit responsibility to the fact that on September 7th, 2024, at the location of State Street, Pittsfield Township, Washington County, State of Michigan, that you double parked a motor vehicle?
Yes.
Court will accept that admission to count 2. Count 1 is dismissed. Fines and cost of $180. When can that be paid?
I can pay it this weekend.
This
Friday.
week?
Friday.
All right, I'll give you till next week, the 25th. Get it paid by then.
Okay.
All right, thank you.
Thank you.
Court does call the case of the people versus Barage Scott.
Conrad Silver on behalf of Pittsfield Township.
It's an arraignment. All right, state your name.
Barage Scott.
Like we don't know. All right. All right, Mr. Scott.
Yes, sir.
You are this time before the court on a complaint that alleges that on or about December 27, 2024, at the location of Carpenter Road, Pittsfield Township, Washington County, State of Michigan, that you did commit the offense of possession of drug paraphernalia. You understand the nature of that charge?
Yes, sir.
That is a misdemeanor punishable by up to 90 days, $500 fine plus court costs. You understand that?
Yes, sir.
All right. First question I have for you is, do you wish to be represented by an attorney?
Let's see.
Really?
Yeah.
You got an attorney on all your other?
Yes.
Yeah, you want one?
Yeah, I was just trying to picture what you were saying, sir. I'm just happy when I see my grandma in the courtroom. That's all.
Okay. So this is a public defender case.
Assistant Public Defender Natalie Pate with and on behalf of Mr. Scott, who stands to my right, we would waive any further reading, stand mute, and ask for an adjourned pre-trial date as well as a nominal bond.
Been in every way, formal reading, standing mute. Court will enter a not guilty plea. Pre-trial in this matter. When is your next date, sir?
Tomorrow. I'm coming to see you tomorrow for my
Tomorrow?
my resisting. And I got PR bonds on all the cases except that one, sir.
Right. So what I'm going to do in this case then is I'll adjourn this one to March 5th. My next available date, 2025 at 9. I'll set his bond in this case. I'm just going to give him a straight PR. I don't know what's going to happen on that one. $5,000 personal recognizance. Standard conditions. You understand that?
Yes. I still got my medical marijuana card, so does that
Standard conditions, no assaultive behavior.
Yes, sir.
And no possession of any weapons. You understand that?
Yes, sir.
Barage?
Yes, sir.
No alcohol, recreational marijuana, or any illegal drugs. You understand that?
Yes, sir.
I'm also going to order that you are not to go to any Meijer store
Okay.
or on their property in the state of Michigan. You understand that?
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you for saving a black man's life.
What do you say?
Thank you for saving a black man's life. Because I changed my life, so
All
that's
right.
what I wanted to say.
Thank you, sir. We'll see you tomorrow. That's it. 14A.
Thank you for watching. If you enjoy watching this content, please like and subscribe. It helps new channels like this one gain exposure. There is a lot more good court to come, so if you like what you saw, tell your friends. If you didn't, tell me, and let me know what you'd like to see and how I can improve. Thanks.